Okay, go Shernsy, it's your birthday. Go Shernsy, it's your birthday. My fellow March sister, my fellow March friend. Happy birthday to you. Wish you all the best. I hope God grant you the favor to see many, many, many more happy ones and that we can share it with you. So go ahead, enjoy your birthday as I know you would, Queen. Happy birthday.
Well, what a retroactive blessing, Sister Shernette. It's your birthday. And to think that some 40, 50, wow, you're not that old. To think that some 40, 50 years ago, I am that old, we were walking the same streets. My, and I didn't know you. Montel Verna girl, Harrison boy, Library, Carl Square, downtown, Garrett Park, all those places we traveled together and didn't know that the time would come when we would be in the same space. It's a retroactive blessing that keeps giving and giving and giving. And so now here we are, best of friends, sharing the same friendship. Isn't that good? Happy birthday to you, my friend, my sister. I missed out on the younger years, but hey, the retroactive blessing is good, it's real. So happy birthday to you, blessings to you, a wonderful birthday to you, my friend, and cheers to the good life. Cheers. Enjoy your day. Well,
Sharns, there's no other day like today, you know. Remember, this is a very special day. God has blessed you, He has kept you, and you really have to celebrate it. Life is worth celebrating. So, enjoy this day called your birthday. It doesn't matter how old you are. What matters is that you're here, and you live to see it, and you're going to enjoy it, and you're going to treat yourself, and you're going to just love yourself. I just want to say a happy, happy birthday to you, and love always, from Max Poet.
Hello, Sherns. How are you? Happy birthday, my love. Wasn't it just a few days ago we had your birthday? How come it come around so quickly? But guess what? I know that you are the most fabulous woman we ever meet. When we tell you all-rounded, ever ready, and just know how to bounce back in a jiffy for just about everything. You're kind, straightforward, intelligent, and just down to earth, and a good friend. And I have to say to you, it's a blessing when we actually came together. I've known you for a long time now, but now that we are friends working in a space every Saturday morning for Satideh Mawnin Runnings, boy, may I tell you, I've come to know you, to understand your heart, your interests, and the things that mean the most to you. And these are the things that make you who you are. One rounded somebody, one rounded individual, a rounded woman. What can I say? So happy birthday today. God has given you life. I want you to live it till you dry it out, rinse it out today, because you have so much to celebrate. Enjoy your day, my love. My heart is with you today. And you know how we do. We have to drop a video because I just so we do. So happy birthday. Enough love. I appreciate you, love you, and respect you. Enjoy the day. Now make a soul get in your way. And even if they do, just saying, it's my day and I'm gonna roll. And as I'm saying those words, I'm picturing you and hearing your voice. So happy birthday, my Sharns. I love you.